Very good afternoon, all the students of 7th standard. As you know that we are learning the fourth lesson of our history, that is Maharashtra before the time of Shivaji Maharaj. This lesson we have started, and maybe what is it today? It is the end of this lesson. So page number 17, work of Sant. Sant gave the message of equality to people. These sons, they gave the message of equality to the common people, that they felt all the people are equal or same. They taught humanity. They preached that people should live together in harmony. They taught the humanity. Along with that, they preached that all the people, they should live in harmony or happily, unity with love there. Their work resulted in the social awakening. So the work of these sons resulted into the social awakening into the mind of the common people. People start to be awake. Their change in their nature, in their behaviors, or in their mindset, knowledge start to be improved there. They began to realize what is correct and what is not correct, what is true or given into the religious book. The differences they start to be understand. They taught how to live in a face of foreign inventions also there. These sons, they taught to the common people. Whenever there is a foreign aggression is there, invasion, attack is there, at that time, in this situation, how to live there. If the drought-like situation is there or any other natural calamities occur there, during the time of natural calamity, how to live there. Their teachings proved to be a big support for the common people. The teaching of these sons proved a great support for them. Their work created self-confidence among the people of Maharashtra. So the work of these sons created self-confidence among the Maharashtrian people. People, they regain their confidence. Whatever the confidence, reliance they lost, that once again they regain that splendor, they regain. There was a deteriorations of ethics and religions in the society. Adverse effects were there of the ethics on the society there, or in people's life there. At such a time, the sons came forward to protect the society. In these circumstances or situation, Sant from the Maharashtra, they came forward, they came front to be protect the common people there, or to protect the society or the religions, and they taught what is the actual meaning is there given in the religion. They showed the path of devotions by living among the peoples and sharing their joy and sorrow that. So these sons, they showed the path of devotions to the common people by living with them, by living among the common people only. They share their joy, their happiness, their sorrows that, and when we will become the member or the part of that society, then we can understand the situation or condition. By living among them only, by living with them, these people, sons, they taught to the common peoples about the path of devotions. Some orthodox and dogmatic peoples opposed them. Some of the people, dogmatic peoples, criticizing those who are giving the false statement about their religions. Such a peoples, they criticize on these sons, but the sons believed that facing these oppositions was a part of their duty. But all the sons, they felt that to face such kind of opposition is the part of their duty there, their work. Sant Tukaram has explained the mark of true sant in these words. Sant Tukaram, he stated the meaning, or he gave the meaning of true sons in the following word that Tuka mane tochi sant soshi jagache aghat. One who called a true sant, to whom we can call as a true sant, one who bear, one who endure that, one who endure or bear, has a capacity to bear the attack of society or the people, from the people. That the Sant illustrate the complex dharma of scholars. They explain the good dharma of the scholars, Shastris and Pandits in the language of the peoples. They prayed to God using the simple everyday terms. They prayed to the God by using the simple terms there. They took the view that all are equal before the God. So these sons, they took the view, or they took one stand that all the people are equal before the God. They taught society to do away with the pride arising out of the caste and varna and see everybody as God's children. That, and also along with that, they taught to the common people that they should come out from the society bondage and restrictions of the society. Varna there, and they have to see that the society is equal, and for the God all the society peoples are same there. They are the children only. A characteristic of the sons was that they did not forget their duties. What is the main characteristic or important characteristic of the feature of the son? That is, they should not forget their duties. Now, what are their duties are there? That is to be path of devotion. What is the duty of the son? Path of devotion. This is the duty there. They found God in the work, in their work. That so all the sons, they found that God is in their work only. God is in their behavior. That so there is no need to be search to God here and there. That God is in ourselves only. That in our behaviors. So Sant Savta said that Kanda Mula Bhaji Avga Vithai Maji. The meal, simple meal. In that also he found the God there. Kanda Mula Bhaji there. Or we ate the onions there. So in that also, or that roti there. In that also he found God there. This statement refers to farm work but applies to work in all the walk for life. It is referred to the farm work, related with the farm work, but it is applied for all the peoples, for all walk of the people, that in their work also God is there. The sons carried on with their duties even as they were engaged in devotions. Even if they engage in devotions, in that also they carried their work, they performed their tasks, teaching and composing verses. They start to be composed, they start to teach the verses there. They developed the moral sensibility of the society. New means of good sensibility of society. Wari discussed Pandharpur Wari, that means every Ashadi Ekadashi the people we can pilgrim disciple devotees, they visit to the Pandharpur. That is we can call as a Wari here. Warkari Sampradaya are the people that. Next point, that is Ramdas Swami. He was from the Jam, Marwada there. He explained Ramdas Swami explained the importance of physical fitness for the people. Samartha Ramdas Swami, he explained the importance of the physical fitness. Physically we should be strong. That Maratha Tetukai Melava, Maratha Dharma Vadava. All the Maharashtrian people, they should be united, they should come together, and by coming together they should be increased. Spread the Maharashtra or the Marathi religions. The message of Ramdas Swami is famous that he gave the practical educations and lesson in good conduct through his work like Dasabodh. He gave the common people about the educations, practical. He gave the education through his practicals and good conduct and good behaviors through the books like Dasabodh, Karuna Shatakas, Manachi Shlok. These books written by Ramdas Swami. He stated the importance of people's movement and organizations and founded the Samartha Sampradaya. He organized the peoples. He taught them about the importance of the physical fitness. He organized them, and Samartha Sampradaya he established a setup that Chapal was the center of this Sampradaya. He propagated the worship of Rama and Hanuman there. Propagated worship of Rama and Hanuman. He worshipped all the time that. He traveled far and wide to propagate his thought that among the common people. So he is the main center of his devotions, bhakti, that is Lord Hanuman is there. Inspiration for independence during the foreign rule also. You have seen that. Next point there. Inspiration for independence. So these are sons, they inspired for the independence, for the freedom during the foreign invasions. Such was the political, social, cultural situations, etc. in Maharashtra before the time of Shivaji Maharaj. In that period, Maharashtra was under the control of Adil Shah and other powers. They ruled Maharashtra territory, that it was not an independent state there. Even so, some of the personalities and stream of thoughts were dreaming of freedom there. In those situations, in this situation or circumstances, Some thoughts were dreaming in the mind of the common people there. Among them, Shivaji Maharaj, who is considered to be as a visionary of Swaraj, was on the forefront there. Means among all the people, those who look after that, those who are seeing the dream, future of good governance, among them Shivaji Maharaj was also there. He looked after the vision of Swaraj and he tried to be set up or to establish through his activities. Like in say, we have completed these lessons. You revise this lesson, you read out this 2-3 times. If you have the links, all these links, then you once again listen all videos one by one. So again you will get in a proper way. Thank you very much. Be safe and focus on studying.